Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have another box opening from Culture Japan. I have to tell you that our socks are knocked off. Talk about fast shipping. Oh my goodness. We ordered this Wednesday evening, the 29th of May, at about 8:30, right there?
Yep, at night.
At night. And on Friday morning, the following Friday morning, the 31st, this was at our door, what, 11-ish? Before 11.
It was before 11, yeah.
11 a.m. How do they give such fast service? My goodness, I am excited.
FedEx.
Yeah, FedEx.
Well, and Culture Japan got it shipped quick too.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Yeah,
But
I need
they,
a knife.
they both did a great job.
I need a knife.
All right, hold on.
Okay, got it. I was waiting we saw the dolls start dropping on the website, and I watch, because I want a particular doll, and I kept hoping she would drop, and I was looking at this doll, and I was looking at this doll, and I was hoping the other one would drop, and she did not. And I knew this one was going to sell fast. Thinking about it, and I started asking Darren about it. He's like, you can do what you want. Danny dropped 2 cyber shells that night also, and I looked at those and I thought, no, don't buy that. So I got the card, and I do save these, and this is your Smartdoll care guide, which is very, very cool. Her telescopic stand, which is genius. Let's get that out because we're going to need it in a minute. Anyway, so I kept looking, I kept thinking about it. And in the meantime, my good friend Dory from Dory's Dollies, we are like a couple of schoolgirls. We're texting back and forth. Be sure to go to her channel. She might have a little opening also. Anyway, we're texting back and forth. I'm like, oh, and she says, did you see this doll by name? And I said, yeah, and I'm looking at her seriously. And she starts talking about how pretty she is, and oh, how beautiful. And Dory and I are always talking about how well built these dolls are. You know, this is the carry bag. I love those. Dory and I sew for our dolls, and we also grew up in a time of beauty, body beauty, and everybody worked to have these type bodies, and I did. So, you know, we're always talking about the fashions and the whole bit. Well, this is Fortitude. You want to get a close-up on her face, and then I'll get her wig on. If you have not bought a Smartdoll...
Lay her down.
Oh, sorry. If you have not bought a Smartdoll and you are thinking about it, I'm going to encourage you because they are absolutely beautiful. They have a frame. Go to the site, Culture Japan, Google Smartdoll, it'll come up, and there's actually a skeleton underneath the vinyl with a spine. I mean, it's really incredible how these dolls are made. I love the click, and I want to show you something that I am just so surprised at. Look at the palm of their hands. Can you see the detail in that? Absolutely gorgeous dolls. So while she was coming, I made a little outfit for her to participate in something coming up. And I tried a new pattern, which did not work out perfectly, but I'm going to show it to you anyway. Let me get her wig on and dress her, and we'll be right back. This is something about these dolls. Their head and arms come off for clothes changing. And when you put it back together, it's called the confidence click. You slide this in, you push, and then you move the arm to make sure it's clicking. Oh my God, she's gorgeous. She is gorgeous. I love her. So my other girls would be standing here, but they are already dressed for another upcoming video. But I made Fortitude this little bikini. It needs more tweaking. I'm still working on tweaking it a little bit, and I doubled the fabric on the bottoms, which I like for the ties, but when you tie it, it's too tight. So still working on that a little bit. But I made her this little wraparound skirt. Let's see if it'll go over the bikini. I'm afraid it will not, as I was hoping it would. I made this based on wraparound skirts that I had. Let's see. Yeah, that's going to look funny with the, we'll tie it anyway, but it's going to look funny with the, I can't find the back of the ribbon. There we go. And I cut the ribbon too short. Yeah, that's not going to work over the swimsuit. So I'll show it to you without the swimsuit. So I did the little skirt, and it needs a little more tweaking. I cut the ribbon too short for sure, but I don't know. I like the little whimsical frogs. I just think they're cute. So a little bit of tweaking, and it's just a fun little outfit. And then Darren makes these adorable mugs. I absolutely love those mugs. It's 3D printed. I love those mugs. I think it just gives them something to do with their hands. We also want to announce that the Winterfest, Smartdoll Winterfest, that you can find more out about on lovingmysmartdoll.com will be, I just wanted to show this again. These are so cool. Will be January 24, 25, and 26, 2025. Mark your calendars. It's going to be fun. We have a lot still up in the air, but we're trying to keep the cost really low. There will be some fun contests, some intense contests, and we're hoping, we are planning, we are working towards, it's all going to be live, and that is, we will produce it live where you will be able to add comments, and it'll be interactive. We hope you will consider joining us, and again, that's on lovingmysmartdoll.com. We're still looking for guest speakers. If you'd like to be a guest speaker, please contact us at lovingmysmartdoll.com. You'll see the email information in there. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. I am not sorry I pushed this button for Fortitude. I absolutely love her.